present here our solution for carbon capture and mineralization. Airovation have a unique solution, patent solution for carbon capturing, taking from industrial sources and to convert it to minerals. And this is why we're here in this expo. It's not for mining. We take it, for example, from SMR or any industrial source, and we connect our system to the chimney. And we take the flue gas, we convert the carbon dioxide to mineral, and this mineral is later can be sold as a raw material or commodity for other industries. It's not commercial yet. We're in the developing stage. Currently, we have two pilots, and we are in the developing stage. Probably in 2 years from now, we'll have the first commercial.